all you have to do is create your Bitcoin wallet. There is no cost on the thing. It's all good, okay? All right. So we are almost done with the Bitcoin system to receive payments and make payments in Bitcoin, all right? Why we are doing that? Because this thing is going to solve the problem in receiving money in other countries. Like everybody's going to be able to pay with Bitcoins, and everybody's going to be able to receive commissions on Bitcoins, all right? Now, this is how we are going to start. When somebody makes a payment with Bitcoin, because it's very dedicated, I can't receive the money in Bitcoins, exchange for dollars, and then you decided you're going to receive your commissions on Bitcoins. Then I got those dollars, buy Bitcoins again, and make the payment to you. I could do that, but in 5 minutes, we could lose 20% valuation, right? So it's crazy, okay? Or we can gain, doesn't matter, but it's crazy. So the best way to do that will have something like somebody pays in Bitcoins. We're going to create a system that's going to share the commissions right there. So if Shelly is selling a Builderall license in Bitcoins, right? So she is going to receive the money right there. The payment will be right on your account, right? And then the commissions to your upline, and then the other upline, and then the other upline, all in the same time. Because Bitcoin is something that we don't have to hold because there is no refunds, right? So you paid, you done. And I love that idea. So I guess you guys love the idea as well. So Bitcoin, you made the payment, you're good to go. So when the guy makes the payment, we are going to receive the commissions right there. Will be instant commissions, all right, on Bitcoin for you and for the whole network. But for this thing to work, we're gonna need everybody to have a Bitcoin wallet. So you have to create your Bitcoin wallet, all right? Now, good news for you. You are working online, you are working with technology, you are in 2019, this is reality. You gotta have a Bitcoin wallet, right? Or a crypto or wallet with other things, something like that, right? This is reality. There is no reason for us to go against this thing because there is no reason at all right? And it's gonna make everything easier. So probably in a few weeks, we're going to start to release the first sales in Bitcoins, and the commissions will be generated on your Bitcoin wallets, okay? Now, you gotta open a Bitcoin wallet or a crypto wallet or some way to receive Bitcoins. Because if you don't have it, you are not going to receive the commissions, all right? So you take the risk of somebody makes a purchase, pays in Bitcoins, and then everybody's going to receive the commissions, but you are not going to receive any commissions because you don't have a way to receive commissions, right? So guys, it's not a big deal. It's actually good. It's actually a very, very nice step that we are doing. All you have to do is create your Bitcoin wallet. There is no cost on the thing. It's all good, okay? And our own affiliate system, like the Super Checkout, we're going to have integration with Bitcoins as well. So maybe later you're going to sell something and when I'm receiving Bitcoins, you're going to be able to use our checkout to do that, right? So crazy stuff that we are doing. And we are moving, we're going to keep the dollars, euros. We are going to try to do something for England, for pounds, because they are separating all those things. So we're going to keep dollars, euros, pounds, reais. We're going to keep it, obviously, but we're going to add Bitcoin. We're not going to change anything. We're just going to add Bitcoin. So it's good for you to have a way to receive money in Bitcoin as well. All right. So keep that in mind. Go there, open your Bitcoin wallet. It's all good. And that's it. All right, guys. Go ahead, Sebastian.